This image is part of a series that depicts a man who is consistently on his phone until he runs into somebody walking down the street and cracks his screen. The one thing that the majority of the people are obsessed today, the one thing that the majority of people are obsessed with today in society is their smartphones. It seems like out in public, no matter where you go, you will see someone who has their phone in hand and is distracted by it. This series creates a narrative that is easy to follow and easy to pick up on without any prior knowledge. It starts out with a man waking up in his house, starting off his day normally, but the phone element is exemplified starting with the first image and continuing through to the last image. The first image is of a guy laying in bed with his alarm going off for him to get up for the day, but the alarm is on his phone. And then he brushes his teeth while scrolling through his phone. He then goes to the kitchen to eat breakfast, and guess what? His phone is in his hand at all times. Then he changes clothes and leaves the house with his skateboard with his phone in his hand still. While traveling to his destination, he is riding a skateboard to get there quicker, but he's still on his phone, not paying a bit of attention to where he's going or what he's doing. He is traveling on the sidewalk, and along comes a pedestrian in his path, who also just happens to be looking down at his cell phone. Both men are too distracted by their phone to see the other person, and they run into each other, causing the phones to be dropped onto the concrete and shattering the screens. And as anyone with a smartphone knows, it is absolutely devastating to shatter your screen, and it has to be that much worse for this young guy based on the way he has never put it down. It seems like this young man has a problem. Some might even consider the word addiction. And that happens way more in today's society with smartphones than ever before. I think the photographer is trying to create a narrative series that depicts one of many problems that people today have with cell phones. That they are overcoming people's lives, and that cell phones should not be controlling our lives as much as they do. One thing that is successful in this image is that the message of the cell phone controlling our every decision and the people being distracted by their cell phones is depicted very well. The viewer could look at many of the photos in the series and be confused by exactly what is happening. But this photo in particular gets the message across immediately. The viewer knows exactly what is going on and is seeing exactly what the photographer wants them to see and can easily understand the message the photographer is trying to get across. One thing that I would improve is to not have so many of these photos in the series so staged or set up looking. The guy on the skateboard seems stiff and posed in some of the images, which can create a manufactured look rather than a natural look. Another thing is that there's a lack of emotion. From the first image to the last after the screen is cracked, even though this young man's phone never leaves his hand, he seems to not be affected by what he is viewing or reading, or even after he dropped it and the screen is shattered, there is no emotion. Anyone who just dropped their phone and shattered the screen is going to be visibly upset, and that is not the case here.